Hey guys, and welcome back to Dismantle 3D. So, now we're gonna be doing the final thing. I know why these ain't check marks, because I didn't exit. I just hit Alt F4. So if you're new to this channel and you haven't subscribed, you can if you want. I have nothing really else to do, so I'm uploading again. I know it's been like 3 days, maybe 2, since I last updated, or uploaded, sorry. I'm updating stuff too. And wow, okay, this is an actual car. Holy crap. So, do we... Yeah. Oh. It's not what I wanted, but... Thought... Ah. Oh. Man. Shit, it's driving on its own. No. Not today. We're gonna save that for last. We're gonna drive it for last. Guy seems a little cheaty. Just drive it like that. There. Assuming. Oh, those are just lens. Headlights. Okay. Well, at least this has more room. Be feral. Oh, oops. Just let me get back over here real quick. Okay. Yeah. Assume that comes off. Well, what about this? That's what's holding that. Okay, panel. I know that handle comes off. What? Whatever. Oh, hold on. Take this off. Oh, yeah. I'll take this one off. It's 43 parts. Boom. Boom. Okay, that will come off after. That looks like a separate piece. Yep. Kinda cool. Pretty easy. Very easy. Okay. Those have to be separate. Whatever, okay. That's separate. Whoa. The hood comes off now. I know that. Yeah. That's what I thought. I still don't believe that that's one whole piece. I guess it is. Could be wrong. Flip. Oops. Shattered the windshield. Shield. Wow. Coming down to the last couple parts. What do I... Can't take it off. Yeah, that's what I thought. Whoa. And it just comes off like that. Okay, those don't come off. Okay. 25 parts left. How come that ain't coming off? Is it because of that? Yep. Watch it. Oh, the wheel. Ah. Oh. Okay. Well, now we know that the tire comes off. Could easily start doing these ones. No. But I could move the axle. There we go. Not the axle, the whatever. The rim. I'm assuming that's a piece that's separate. Nope. I mean, it is. It's just have fun. Maybe it's gonna be a little piece. But no, I guess any. Wow, this is not much for a challenge. Probably could be on the last part, and then I'm gonna be screaming. Come on, that has. Oh, what? It's still holding this. It's you. Get out of here. Get out of here. Of course. Wait. Aha. How's this thing still standing? Yeah. How are those not separate pieces? Wait a second. Yep. Okay. I'm assuming these. The seat. Anything on it? And the whole thing falls now. Well, it actually starts on fire. That's neat. Didn't notice that. Wonder if it can blow up. Can I still drive it? No. Watch there be something behind this. Or not. Oh, there's doors on the side. Boom. What? Are you kidding me? Wait, please. I knew it. I knew it was gonna get down at the last part. Dang. It has to be that, right? That looks like... Oh my... Okay. Get that out of here. It's not on the engine. It's not on those. Could be this. Alright? I don't know. It's gotta be something on this. Doesn't look like it. If it's on the hood. No. Oh, I see it. Boom. Here comes loud music. Okay. Now this is the real test. Let's see what happens if I crash this vehicle. Let's see how much damage it could really do. Come on, baby. For it. Oh my god. As soon as this thing's crashed, this thing's moving so slow. Okay, well. It's really backing up now. Whoa. Accidentally. Well, I guess you can't. Don't tell me. No, it's dead. What? What kind of bullcrap is this? Dude, it's dead. Are you kidding me? Take number 2, I think. I'm 100% sure. But, okay. Okay, we're gonna back. Oh, dang. Are you kidding me? Oh my god, you know what, forget it. I don't wonder why. I hit the back and the thing just doesn't love me. I tried everything and this stupid thing just, you know what? See how you like this. I still don't know how to use this. I'm supposed to, like, press the light or something? Oh, it doesn't matter. There we go. Wow, this thing hardly does anything. There's more? Oh, okay. I see how to use it. So, oh shoot, I didn't. Bananas. Ah, that's how you use it. Well then, let's go ahead and do this. Let's just do this. I'm an idiot. I'm an idiot. Okay. There's one. There's two. Three. What else is there? What else can we do with these? That's about it. What? Are you crapping? Are you what? Wow. Okay. We found something new. This is gonna be fun. Oh heck yeah, dude. This is gonna be fun. I didn't know there was more stuff. Dang, dude. Alright, well, just go ahead and... No, that's not what I wanted. Hey, I don't want that. Get me the heck out of here, dude. Okay, well... This is like the perfect level. I could just angle myself down. And then I go over here. And I go over here and I place it right in the middle. Oh, nice. Can I just do one on top of each other? Oh crap, I can't. Oh dang. Alright, let's try it. Let's try this real quick. Oh, oh. Genius idea, genius idea. They specifically added this in the game. They had to. Just for this level. Alright, mannequin. Yes. It's all working out. Look at that. These guys are just doing circuit stuff. Don't mind them. And then let's get an RPG. Whoa, 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 whoa. Don't point that thing at me. Part finder. There's a pistol, there's a shotgun. No. I see why it's doing this. It's because I'm not in the map. Yeah, there we go. See how this works. Okay, that's how it works. Let's just go ahead and set some delicious bombs. Oh yeah, dude, look at that antique car. I call this the best explosive car ever. It just blows your mind. Wow, he's even on the steering wheel. Let's maybe turn this camera. Let's kind of turn this down. Get that nice view. Let's get it in slow-mo. And then see. There we go. Alright. What? Come on, dude. Jeez. Is there, like, gas? Gas pedals? Or just not? Okay, well... Oh crap, it's moving. It's moving. It's moving at a very slow pace. Just go ahead and... No. Oh no, look, it's a driver, it's a person that's driving, and there's people goofing off on the road. So I don't go goof off on the, oh my gosh. speed this up. Whatever, it doesn't matter. Wait. Fudge. Popsicles. Oh no, don't play on the road, kids. Oh no, don't play on the road. Something very bad could happen. Oh no, get off the road. Get off the road. Oh my god. Oh. Okay. 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 Oh my god. Anyways, that was Dismantle 3D. I'm not gonna pay for the other levels, but I kind of want to, but I really don't want to. It doesn't seem this video is getting as much attention as the other ones. So, just let me get this in there. So I'm not gonna pay for the next levels. But I hope you guys enjoyed. How's there still 30 parts? I'm gonna lose my mind. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. I know this video is kind of long. I didn't know there was new stuff. Now you know that there's stuff here hidden specifically, and now you know what this is. But I hope you guys enjoyed. I sure did, especially since I found out new stuff. Oh yeah, that's good stuff. What? It's out. Wow, that's... there we go. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. Bye bye.